Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am going to start class 5 EVS assessment 1 chapter 2 the human body revision part 3 heart and stomach. Let us start. Heart. The human heart is a muscular organ that is almost the size of a closed fist. The human heart is a desk organ. Human heart is a muscular organ. What is the size of heart? The size of heart is a closed fist. The main function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body and to maintain it constant circulation. What is the main function of the heart? The main function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body and to maintain it constant circulation. For the circulation of blood in the body, the heart is helped by a network of the blood vessels. What helps heart in circulation of blood in the body? Network of blood vessels. These are tube-like structures that carry blood to different parts of the body. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels are tube-like structures that carry blood to the different parts of the body. The number of times the heart beats in a minute is called the rate of heartbeat. What is heartbeat? The number of times the heart beats in a minute is called the rate of heartbeat. See, this is a muscular organ and it has tube-like structure. Blood vessel has tube-like structures which carry blood to the different parts of the body. Now, next. The food we eat. The food that we eat cannot be used by our body as it is. It has to be transformed into an easily digestible form which can be absorbed by our body to release energy. This process is called digestion. What is digestion? Process of transforming of food into a digestible form which can be absorbed by our body to release energy is called digestion. After the food is put into the mouth, it is chewed with the help of the teeth. Food is chewed with the help of what? With the help of teeth. The food is pushed into the food pipe which carries it to the stomach. So afterwards, when food is chewed, what happens? That food is pushed into the food pipe which carries it to the stomach. This is stomach. The stomach helps in churning the food. The food mixes with several juices produced by the stomach walls. These juices break the food down further and convert it into semi-solid paste. The food is then pushed into the small intestine. The process of digestion is completed in the small intestine. What are the ill effects of eating junk food? It can cause many chronic health diseases such as obesity, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, etc. Word silent. Coordination. Working together in an efficient way. Working together in an efficient way. Coordination. Essential, necessary. Monitoring. Watching and controlling something. Network. System. Reflexes. Movement of the body. Respiration, process of breathing, uninterrupted without a break, in continuity. Now question. What are the three parts of the brain? Now see the answer. What are the three parts of the brain? Three parts of the brain are cerebrum, cerebellum and brain stem. What is the function of spinal cord? What is the function of spinal cord? Spinal cord transmit messages from the brain to rest of the body and vice versa. What is respiration? What is respiration? Respiration is the physical process of breathing in oxygen which reaches the lungs and breathing out carbon dioxide. Describe the function of lungs. The function of the lung is to mix oxygen into our blood and to remove the unwanted carbon dioxide and water vapor from it. What is the rate of heartbeat? The number of times the heart beats in a minute is called the rate of heartbeat. Give one or two words for these. The air passes through the windpipe which has another name, trachea. The two opening or holes in the nose are called by this name, nostrils. Each bronchi divides into smaller tubes which are called by this name, bronchioles. Tube-like structure that carry blood to different parts of the body, blood vessels. The process of digestion is completed in this organ, stomach. Choose the correct option and fill the OMR sheet. The brain has three parts, des, cerebrum, cerebellum and brain stem. A option is skull, B spinal cord, C cerebrum, D nerves. So correct option is cerebrum. The brain has three parts, cerebrum, cerebellum and brain stem. In the lungs, bronchi divides into des. First option air sacs, B bronchioles, C larynx, D trachea. So B bronchioles. In the lung, bronchi divides into bronchioles. The des are called the air filters of our body. A nostrils, B eyes, C kidneys, D lungs. So the lungs are called the filters of our body. The process of breathing is called A. Respiration, B. Inhalation, C. Digestion, D. Transpiration. So A option, respiration. The process of breathing is called respiration. C options you have to take mark. Okay. So chapter 2, the human body, revision part 3 completed. Thank you.